at work I find myself doing a lot of hardware. Doorknobs, hinges, door closures, door stops, and I always find myself carrying a lot of tools. And there's one specialty tool that every locksmith, not saying that I'm a locksmith, but every locksmith should have, is this one right here. And this is used to tighten the doorknobs for a mortise lock. And I use this tab right here for cylindrical locks. This is a handle for cylindrical lock. What I use this for is there's a hole right here, and you're supposed to take a pin right about that size to push the button in, and that releases the doorknob. If I don't have this tool, I'm not able to release the doorknobs. You know, I don't do hardware every day. So instead of having to walk around with this every day, I decided to modify my Leatherman MUT. And I'm gonna take this, grind it down to this point, which is not much. It's just a little bit. So that's what we're gonna be doing on today's video. Stay tuned and I hope you learned something.